everybody. In this video I will show you how to find the description or about channels. For example, I will open YouTube and this is the home page. As you see, I will, for example, open a channel. For example, this channel.
My Etsy shop 2 years ago was one of.
I will just open the channel like this. For example, if I am here, I will not choose the about tab. So where I can find it, actually YouTube has a new update. You have to click here, more about this channel, and right now here you can find about or description of the channel. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.